I'm going to explain our VEERA Biodiesel machines. We are successfully launching our VEERA Biodiesel, which can convert into used cooking oil, animal fat, or non-edible veg oil. Anything can be converted into biodiesel, the fine quality biodiesel. And I'm going to explain what are the process and what are the features our machines has. So now I'm going to explain. We pour the catalyst here, and then the KBOH solutions is here, and this is where we filled up used cooking oil, which is dirty like this. You can see our used cooking oil, how dirty we are using this oil. The both will come here for the mixing process, and once it's mixing done, and then it is going to the separation tank. This is our separation tank. You can see the glycerine is here. The glycerine, the dark glycerine is here, and this is our diesel. You can see the diesel which is there, and you can see the color of the diesel. This is the color of the diesel before filtering. Before filtering, this is our color of the diesel, and we made the beautiful diesel out of that dirty cooking oil. And another thing is our system has recovery. So we have the system that will heat it up in a certain degree and condense the method, recover and use it for other application. Our system has the processor to purify the excess in the diesel, so that can be reusable. So we are not getting any contamination. So this is our reactor. This stainless steel. The temperature control, everything is automatic. And this is the pure condenser, the recovery system. Then it will pass through here. Then it will be stored. Then this is our control panel, and this is the water tank that feed the water to cool down. And another thing, our proprietary catalyst filtration system. We put a special grade of silica we developed in such a way which more combinations of some ion exchange. So we don't need a dewatering system for our biodiesel. See, most of the biodiesel, they want to have a dewatering system. That means they have to wash it, take out the water. So our filtration, what it will do, it will take out any water which is in the biodiesel that will be absorbed, and also excess coming from that will also absorb. It will give the pure, clear, transparent without any dirt or anything. Diesel will comes by our beautiful filter. This is what we do. So these are the special features our system has, and everything is structured in the frame. It's in the skid mounted frame, so you can move anywhere. And we have a different model kind of customization. One is a manual mode and also automated mode. Like you just fill it up. Today you are going for work, and you just put the oil and the catalyst and just leave it, and it will do all the automations by itself. You don't need to do anything. It will finish one batch, and the next batch is ready, and then process and go on. It is very affordable. We made every component in stainless steel, because we are dealing with the catalyst, and that is going to be corrosive, so we are using stainless steel system. We will teach our client with all the calculations. Even we will provide the titration kit also for our customers who is buying our machines. They don't need to worry. The titration is the most important point in the biodiesel process. We explain everything for the titration process, how to do the titration in the proper way. And we are going to launch very soon the continuous VEERA cavitation process. That is a continuous method. We will get continuous production also. We are going to launch very soon. It's very affordable and with a good quality, because we ensure the quality of our system. So it has all the features, and we are here to customize anything. It's based on the customer requirement. We will develop the system for them. And any oil, we have the solutions. For used engine oil, we have the VEERA distillation machine. Used cooking oil, we have our VEERA biodiesel machine. So any oil we converted into fuel and did diesel. Thank you so much.